If at all Tanzania will be having some problems, then I believe even the opposition leaders will come out to criticize the regime, and even the independent bodies such as the police in Tanzania. That means that these opposition leaders, they are failing in their roles to oversee the functions of the regime or the government. That means that seeking diplomacy or diplomatic attention is very poor in Tanzania. Therefore, Kenya trying to colonize, coldly in quotes, Tanzania on how to run a government, or even criticizing the instruction issued by the Tanzania government authorities, that is simply an interference in courts. That means for Kenya to indulge into Tanzania issues, then that requires some sort of consultation and seeking permission according to the East African statutes. Makio, Tanzania is the current host of Yala. How then do you expect even the Law Society of Kenya to benefit from the East African Law Society? How then do you even expect Tanzania to follow its bilateral ties with Kenya? If at all Samia Suluhu reigns for another term, how then will Kenya benefit commercially, socially, politically, if there is called assault in courts? Do not think of yourself as Kenyan. Think of the Tanzanians. They have the right to go out there, picket, protest against the regime, but not to seek attention from Kenyans to have them criticize Tanzania, because the government of Tanzania will not listen. All they will listen to are the diplomatic ties that they have with Germany, amongst other countries. Tanzania has politicians, activists, and even societies that plays an oversight role. The media in Kenya, what is the function? When you display and disseminate what is going on in Tanzania, who has given you that permit? You sought authority from who? Think about it. And as much as we care, it doesn't mean that we should indulge into their affair, because the fair payment of care is sometimes maintaining the boundary of respect until the person who is being treated unfairly comes out to seek for care, so that you should not snare and stare. Instead, you share knowledge, wisdom, until fair and care comes to dare on the wrong path.